Oh, it's a hot one. It is a hot one. Strictly sneaker unboxings. It is a hot one outside. 93 degrees. You know, it is summer. And I ain't complaining. As long as it's not raining and it's sunny out, I'm all for it. I don't give a rat's ass if it's 110 degrees. I'm all in for the heat. And the sun, I just prefer the sun. Who likes rain? Okay, we got a sneaker unboxing today. It is from the GOAT app. Yes, the GOAT app. This is, some might consider this a heater. It is an expensive sneaker. This costs over $1,000 with taxes. This is for someone, so this will not be for sale. And let's crack her open. This took about 4 or 5 days. I thought they shipped priority GOAT. I'm spending $1,000 and you people can't ship priority? I mean, seriously, they jacked the shipping up like $4 already. But yet, they're shipping slow mail. I don't understand. So, we'll see. We will see. We'll see what's in the box here. So, one side. And two sides. Okay, so I like to say first that I did get this damaged. I purchased this damaged, the shoebox. And we'll see how damaged it is. Okay, this is not that badly damaged at all, so I lucked out. Oh, that actually is kind of damaged. Damn. Alright, so overall though, it's not terrible. I have gotten worse, where it's been so bad that United States Customs actually got rid of the shoebox and put it in a regular shipping box, and they just sent me the shoes that was damaged in the shipping and shoebox. So they got rid of everything and just gave me some shoes shipped in some random box. I can't believe that actually happened, but it did. So this is, if you didn't realize by now, this is a Jordan 4. And you might be able to guess what it is. What do you think it is? There it is, Jordan 4. Good old Levi. Weight edition. What is this? So, let's take a look. GOAT verified. Color, shape, stitching, label, tag. These are already pre-punched. So, they don't, come on. GOAT sticker. Okay, so the same stuff's been coming. I purchased a lot off the GOAT app because it's pretty convenient. Usually I get good experience. Sometimes they take a long time to ship, or they're dishonest with shipping. As in, the customer never shipped, but they said they shipped, and I've gotten a lot of that, and that's pretty unfortunate that they're not telling the truth. But it's neither here or there. There it is, Rare 9.5, Jordan 4 Levi's. Let's take a peek at what these are looking like. So there it is. White denim material, 9.5. Jordan tag. This is the first time I've actually had these in hand, so these are pretty nice. I've had the denim, the blue denim, and I've had the black denim. It's kind of interesting how people, like, the white ones are the most expensive because of the fact that they get dirty the most, but I think obviously it goes by production, and there wasn't many of the white version. But if I'm if I'm buying a pair of these, I'm getting the blue or the black for sure. The white ones are, man, it's hard to clean. What do you throw those in the washer? So, I mean, I guess you could. There's denim, but I don't recommend doing that. So, let's see. So these are pretty nice, I will say. I do like them, but would I personally wear them? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't even come close to wearing them. Unless I got them for free, then I'll maybe just throw them on. But I don't even know if, you know, I have a matching attire for this per se. So, alright, so that's a Jordan 4 Levi's. I only have one package for you today. That is it on Strictly Sneaker Unboxings. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. This was the GOAT app review of the Jordan 4 Levi's. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy this, subscribe. If you don't, oh well. And you have yourself a great day. Have a nice one, everybody.